How the song go? Eating hibachi on the 50th floor?
Bad B.
Oh, Bad B. 54. Eating hibachi.
Okay, wait.
I said it wrong. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Your level of elevation is coming.
I'm gonna keep going. Thank you so much. Yeah, what? Yo.
Don't stop, pop that pussy on some new shit.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you complain. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row.
All right, y'all, this is how we starting the vlog off. Child, I literally just got off work. Today is Platinum's second meet and greet. If y'all haven't came, y'all are missing out. I just did my makeup in this parking lot and I forgot my brow pencil. Just act like y'all don't see that. And then this wig, child, it was so hot. I glued this wig down this morning, but when I went to lunch today, I was out and about and the wig, the glue came loose. Okay, so now the wig is off my head. It don't look right glueless on me, or maybe it do. I don't know. It's gonna have to look right today. Oh, that actually don't look bad now that I done put it back on. I just feel like I got a hat sitting on my head, but it is what it is. This is the dress. I'm gonna show y'all the full outfit once I get out the car because I can't. Oh shit, I can't. Damn, I don't like that. My bra showing, but I need a bra. How am I gonna do this? I need a bra.
You ready for tonight?
All right, she done made it. She finna make her grand entrance. You look cute. Don't play with her. Came in from the back, baby, VIP.
Oh, this is where you go to the restroom?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And then
What was the curtain for you?
Huh?
Open the curtain for you?
oh yeah, sure. Gotta get that nervous energy out.
Do it again, free.
You ready?
Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
Run the track. Damn, DJ Suave, relax.
Gorilla. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love free. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me.
Well, I met a subscriber. What's your name?
Shay. I'm Shay So Chic Boutique on Instagram.
Here, y'all gonna put it on the screen. Y'all make sure y'all go
Shay
follow her.
So Chic Boutique.
Shay So Chic Boutique.
Yes, and this is for girls. Much love to you. Much
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Your level of elevation is coming. Don't stop doing what you do.
I'm gonna keep going. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am.
Let's get this picture.
Okay, first off, I just want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. You guys look amazing in your red. Clap it up. Clap it up. I know this is a far drive for a lot of you guys. I know a lot of you guys came to the first one and wanted to support me again.
Okay, y'all. So at Amir Oud, they're serving these Middle Eastern pastry-looking things. I don't know what it's called, but let me just tell y'all, it's so good. When you bite it, it squirts. And I know that sounds crazy, but I'm just telling y'all because it's different and it tastes good. Let me show you. Hold on, y'all. I'm leaving, but I just walked past this little glass and baby, I got this dress at the mall on my lunch break for $5.99. I think it came out to be $7 once it was all said and done. But yeah, because her theme was all red. But it's cute. All right, y'all. So I'm in the car. I'm leaving the event. It was really, really nice. If y'all have not been to one of her events, y'all are definitely missing out. Y'all definitely need to come. And it's free. It's free. But anywho, I'm gonna take this wig off because it's been uncomfortable all day. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off now and we're gonna ride home with the sunroof with me looking Me looking like this. Oh, I should be Shane. I should really be Shane. We at my brother's shop. It's inside of a U-Haul. Wait, is this not no U-Haul? What is this? Storage unit.
Yes,
he done created a shop inside the storage unit, baby. I tell you, black folks do anything. I guess that's like the new wave, though.
You'd be surprised. These two are here, and it's two down there. You know the people that be like in the dragons at the little circuses and all that?
Yeah.
They do that. They practice. Like last night, it was like 50 cars, so they be practicing.
Hey! Good. Stop, man. I don't like all that. I'm getting nervous.
Everybody do a lot of it.
I had to bring my brother, Lord. I had to bring my son's car to my brother's shop so he can change his brakes and rotors because, baby, his car too damn loud. I couldn't take it. So we're getting this done. And Shay and my nephew running around getting on my nerves. Oh, help me, Lord. Baby, look at my son's rotors.
And it's supposed to be smooth. You can see the texture. That's what all that rubbing and all that is.
Cars are so ghetto. I'm just over it. Yeah, what? Yo.
Don't stop, pop that pussy on some loot. All that cute.
Alright, y'all. I really don't know. I don't know what type of vlog this gonna be. Like, I just really don't know. I'm just not picking up the camera. I'm going to an event. It's at, I don't know where it's at. I can't even get the video. I mean the phone. Let's start over. Yeah, I don't even know what type of vlog this is going to be because I'm just all over the place. I haven't been consistent with vlogging and just please forgive me. Yeah, here come my good sis. Look at her. Free, you look cute.
Oh, you do too.
The vlog. Yeah, look at her. Don't play with it.
My shoes slippery as hell, baby. I gotta do that cute. Get your purse, baby. That little cute tip top. What you got? Tiptoe walk.
We about to go to an event.
Girl, look at them begging to let them in.
Where? Behind us? Okay, let me call y'all. All right, y'all. It's the next damn day. I didn't get no footage yesterday. We're gonna try it again today. We're at Boomer Jack's. I'm meeting my friends here. Just to have like girl time. Catch up. I ain't doing too much of nothing. Y'all, we gotta take a shot too. We outside. We're starting this vlog off by eating hibachi on the 50th floor. Ain't that how it go? How the song go? Eating hibachi on the 50th floor? Bad B. Oh, Bad B. 54. Eating hibachi? Okay, wait. I said it wrong. Whatever, y'all. I'm not hip to the songs. I'm gonna definitely mess up a song. So, happy September. This is my birthday month. Usually I do Shaytember. But we're not doing it this month because I always have the intentions on vlogging every single day in the month of September for my birthday, and I never ever go through with it, so I'm not even gonna psych myself out to think that I'm gonna be able to do it this year. But I'm on a lunch date with my sister. She's over there on the phone with my brother, and I have Shay with me. We're about to eat us some hibachi. Normally when I eat hibachi, I usually like the seafood hibachi. I mean, the seafood combination with shrimp and salmon. But today, I kind of want chicken and shrimp instead.
Here we go. Fire at home.
It's gonna be a fire shot.
Throwing dirt on my old name only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight it. cut these other girls right out of my life, cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah.
I don't know what's going on, but baby, for the last few days, it's been raining a lot. And not that I'm mad at the rain, because I really do. I enjoy the rain. It's feeling real fall-y. Hold on. Can y'all see my address? I'll blur it out. It's feeling real fallish, which I do love. That's my favorite season. But I ain't ready for it. I need to go buy my son a jacket or something. What's he coming outside for? You going? Hold on, y'all. Child, my son decides to tell me last minute that he has a football game today. So, oh, and the game starts at 5 o'clock. I don't even get off work until 5 o'clock. But I'm working from home today. He tells me to bring him some lunch at 2:40. It's currently 2:34 because he needs to eat before he goes to his last period, which is athletics. And they're leaving from athletics to his game. Baby, I can't wait to go off on him. Cause sir, run me a schedule, something. Like you ain't been more told me nothing about no game today. Or anything. All I get is bring me some food. Baby, you can tell I'm unprepared for football season because baby, I ain't got a tent, I ain't got an umbrella. Touchdown. Woo!
Yeah, go to church, 1-4.
Okay, my bad, y'all. It was a touchdown. I think I'm sitting on the wrong side of the stands. Well, all the stands are on one side, but I think I'm in the wrong section. I think I'm on the opposite school section, so I just kind of did that little woo, and everybody looking at me crazy, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I had to get on Amazon so I can order me some stuff. I need some seats, some little chairs to put on the bleachers. I need a little tent because it's raining. I had to put my little coat on, put the hood on. Well, it's not raining right now, but it was kind of sprinkling. But we here supporting my boy.
It is raining. Slippery. I'll just try to do it. Do you know what I'm about to do?
All right, y'all, game over. They lost. I'm trying to find Cameron so he don't get on the bus. He gets in the car with me and we go straight home, as opposed to me waiting for him to get back to the school to pick him up. You don't feel like you did good? Huh? You don't? All right, y'all, let me talk to my son real quick. But I really need to go buy me a new camera. I don't know what I did, but I can't keep the little battery door closed. So any little movement, the battery pops out and cut the camera off. I'm over it. Put your seatbelts on.
Okay, Mama.
You hungry, son?
Mm-hmm. I want some food too.
Okay, we're finna go home and cook.
But I don't want to eat the same food like Cameron.
Okay, girl. You gonna eat whatever's cooked. And Cameron, you told me this darn game was at the high school. I'm all at the damn high school. It's here. I'm glad I had your location. Some said, look at that pickle juice. Some said, check his location.